Many users are facing issues importing WhatsApp images in Photoshop. In this video, we will fix this error. Let's download a WhatsApp image from WhatsApp. Let's drag and drop the downloaded image in Photoshop. See, it shows an error. We will learn to fix this by two methods. First method is by opening the image in Microsoft Paint, and then saving it as JPEG extension file. Let's see how to do it. Go to File, Save as, JPEG Picture. Rename the image and save it. Now let's try to open the saved image in Photoshop. It worked. Let's try the second method. For second method, we need to download a software called File Converter. The download link is given in the description box. We have already made a video on this software in our channel. After downloading the software, install it. For installation process, check our full video on the channel. After installing the product, right-click on the image downloaded from WhatsApp. Go to File Converter and select to JPG. A pop-up window will appear and close automatically after conversion. Now, let's drag the converted image to Photoshop. Boom! It worked.